Okay, I'm pretty sure that many of you are interested to know what's inside the all-new Xiaomi HyperOS. Legend said it takes them 10 years to develop this, and I think it should be something fun and something new and refreshing. So in this video, I'll show you and tour you what are the things to expect from the Xiaomi HyperOS, which is currently present inside the Xiaomi 14 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro. And I'm holding the Xiaomi 14 for your reference, and let's get started. So upon booting up, this is basically the home screen of the Xiaomi 14 series, and of course, sporting the HyperOS. So turning on the brightness is very easy. It simply looks like an iPhone if you drop it down. Now, I won't be turning it too bright, and you can calibrate everything here, like turning on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Probably two of the most important buttons here on this screen. So you can play back your music here and check the Xiaomi Smart Hub here, which can connect you to different Xiaomi devices inside your ecosystem, which you need to connect to Xiaomi Home or Xiaomi Mi Home. Now, this is basically the China ROM variant. So we haven't seen the global variant of the Xiaomi HyperOS as of press time. So this is as far as we can see. So swiping left and right definitely is smooth as expected. And we're swiping it over to the right, you'll see the app vault. Okay, so this is what you'll be seeing on the side. So basically, some of it haven't been loaded yet. So yeah, we still see some bugs, delays in loading. So yeah, hopefully they'll be correcting in probably maybe a few updates later. So we have some of the apps here, shortcut apps. We have the weather app here. You can clear some memories over here. You have the calendar and some other stuff over here, which you can probably customize to what you like. So basically, this is the weather app here in Manila. It's 30 degrees Celsius. And you see all of the forecasts here. So you can see the 5-day forecast over here. Or when you swipe up, you'll see everything from the pressure to the humidity and to what the time of the sunrise is. So you can also check if there's going to be thunderstorm or rains over here, which I think would definitely be something good for before you travel. So for China ROM, you still have the Xiaomi store over here, which you can freely purchase everything that you need. This is available in China only. And also have the China version of the Xiaomi Get app, wherein you can download freely your Google Play Store over here. Just simply type Google Play Store and update it freely. So yeah, we basically installed mine. So we have a working Play Store over here, which I need to sign in a little bit later. And checking my security app, it looks like this. It's exactly the same as the one from the Xiaomi MIUI 14. Now, if you drop it down, you don't have the second screen anymore, unlike before, but you can freely edit it. There's a lot for you to add and drop over here. And you basically have some of these Baidu shortcuts over here, which I think would be useful for China people, consumers, and probably not for the global ones. I want to see what's inside here once the global HyperOS gets rolled out pretty soon. So you can just simply add it like this. Reverse wireless charging. I want my GPS here and my NFC. So when you close it, you'll see that everything's here. You can turn off your NFC here and turn off your GPS over here. Now, checking my devices, this is what you'll see from the Xiaomi HyperOS. And yeah, basically all the specs is here. You want to see more detailed information, you can drop it here. Okay, so the good thing here is IMEI. You need to tap to show information, unlike before, you simply can view it outright from the detailed information and specs. So basically, this is running Android version 14. So if you tap it, it's already Android 14. Now, if you want to go to dev mode, just simply tap the OS and you are now a developer. So much for that. So if you want to see your settings, there's some other additional like the interconnectivity, where you can interconnect between your different Xiaomi devices, which I don't see this on the Xiaomi MIUI 14. Now let's just simply see some wallpapers and themes. this is how it looks like. You can check your always on display. You can simply change your icons, style. You can change it to limitless or depending on you. You can change your fonts, by the way. And there's some additional settings you might want to calibrate. And you can download all of your favorite themes over here. Yeah, for me, it feels smoother. The Xiaomi HyperOS version 1. Now, one good thing here is that you can edit your folder. It suggests you can make it to regular and larger XXL. You can simply drop in like this. Okay, so you have all the spaces here for you to simply put everything that you want. If you want to drag it out, just simply do it like this. It's good. Just drop off the notification, looks something like this, and you can basically change some settings over here depending on your liking. And let's just simply quickly check the camera app. So if you want to check some of these settings, it's here. Or you can simply just drop it off from the screen. So you can freely change from Leica Authentic to Leica Vibrant here easily. Well, actually, it's almost the same from the Xiaomi Mi 14. Let's just go on over the Pro mode. It looks the same as the 14. And then this is the movie mode, this is the video mode, photo, portrait, documents, and more. I think this is almost the same from carryover from the Xiaomi Mi 14. Haven't really seen anything much difference yet. And yeah, if you want to zoom your photos, yeah, it's the same. You can see this dial just like any Xiaomi Mi 14 devices out there in the market. So let's just quickly see and add some widgets over here for you to see. So there's a lot of widgets for you to choose from here. I think this is a good one. Add the home screen from the Xiaomi Fitness app. Okay, so basically you can track your sleeping pattern over here. And as long as you connect your Xiaomi Mi Fit app, you're ready to view your sleeping pattern every time you wake up. It's here on the screen. So checking the game turbo mode, I don't see any much difference between this one and the Xiaomi Mi 14. Basically, the Xiaomi Mi 14 just giving you a smoother interface, and basically that's it. Now, if there's something you want to know more about the HyperOS from Xiaomi, drop it on the comment section below and let me know. I'll be doing a quick comparison between the Xiaomi HyperOS and the Xiaomi Mi 14 side by side. So please do subscribe to my channel for more updates. And I'll see you later.
And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.